Welcome back to my YouTube channel Wisdom World. Here I am talking about how you can make a website for free. And in this video, you are also going to see how you can design your website like this by using drag and drop. So make sure you watch this video till end to learn how to do it. So let's get started. We are going to create a website in just two parts. The first part, launch your website. And in this part, once you launch your website will be live on the internet. So to launch your website, we have to do three steps. In the first step, create an account in Pro-Free Host. Pro-Free Host, this is a website which is going to help us create our website for free. So to create the account, let's go to profreehost.com and click register now. Now fill up these details and then click here. So now we have successfully created our account. Once you create the account, we are going to step 2. Get your free domain. Domain is the name of your website. This is the name which you type here to go to your website. For example, if you type youtube.com, the same way you can get your own domain name. So get your own domain name. Let's click create now and enter the name you want for your website. I'm going to enter Ticky Leaf and you can see we have got our domain here. This is the address which your visitor need to enter in order to reach your site. Now, if you want to change this part of the domain, just click here and select the name which you want. Now get this domain, click this button. Now you can see we have got our free domain. Once you got your domain, we can move towards step 3, which is to install WordPress on your domain. WordPress is the platform which we are going to create our website. It lets you build website easily without any coding or programming. So once you install WordPress, your website will be live on the internet. So to install WordPress, just click manage and then click a control panel to install WordPress. Just scroll down and then click app installer and you take this page to install WordPress. Go here and you take this and then click install and little page. Now scroll down and here you need to enter a username or password for WordPress. Now this will be used to log into your website. Once you enter these details, click install and then you can see WordPress is successfully installed. And here you can see that we have got the link to our website. So this means our website is live on the internet. So recheck it. Let's click this link. And then you can see we have a brand new website on the name which can be selected. So now we have successfully launched our website. Once you launch your website, we can go to the next part of this tutorial, which is the start building your website. This is how the default site looks like. So to build your website, it has 3 steps. The first step is to log into your website. So to log into your site, then you have to do the /wp admin. after your site address, and now you press enter. It will take into the login page in your website. Now enter the login details which you created for your WordPress website and click login. Now we have successfully logged in to our website, WordPress website, and this is the WordPress dashboard. This is the place from where you can control your website once you log in. So we can move to the step 2, which is to choose a design for your website. Now instead of building your website from scratch, you are going to choose a design and then edit it to make your own website. So, to choose your website design, you need to install a theme called Astra in WordPress. So, to install a theme, let's go to the appearance and click themes. Now click add new theme and search for a theme called Astra. So this is the theme which is going to let us choose the website designs. So to install the theme, just click theme install and then click activate. Now to choose your design and click get started, select Elementor here, which will now make it easy for you. So edit your website. So let's select that, and here you will find different kinds of website designs which you can apply to your site. So just have a look at these designs and choose the one you like. You can choose this one, and here you can see a preview of how your site look like. And to apply this design to your site, just click import complete site and then click import, and the entire design will now be imported to your site. So let's see how your own site. Now if you go to the step, you can see that this is how your site was before. Now if you click refresh, you can see that we have now got the entire design of your site, and you can also see your website pages. You has the sample content in it. So now we have successfully got the design into our site. Once you get the designs, now how do you change the content of these pages? So let's go to the step 3, which is to edit the content of your website. So to edit any page of your site, you just have to go into that page and click edit with Elementor. So let's say you edit the home page. Just simply click home and then click edit with Elementor. Now you will go to the in the editing section. Now let's say you have to change these text. All you have to do is just select the text and enter your own text. So I am gonna type, "Hi, welcome to my website." If you want to change the text, just select button and then enter the way your own text. So in the same, you can edit any text if you want. So this works through all the site. Next, let's say you want to change this image. All you have to do is just click an image, and now click here and then drag and drop the image from your computer, and then you can see the image has been changed. Now once you are done with all the changes, just click update, and now if you go to your site and click refresh, you can see all the changes are here. So this is now you can edit any page to your website. So now we know how you can edit any page on your website. Next, we're going to see how you can change the area of your website. By using Elementor, you will be able to change this part of your website. But if you want to change this area, which is header, you can do it by going into the customize option. Now go to customize here, and here you can see the blue icon. If you want to change this logo, just do it. And you can change the logo here. Now the same way you can change the menu section. Once you are done, With the changes, click publish and the changes will be made on your website. Just close this and go back to your website so we can saw how you can change the header area of your website. What if you want to add a new page to your website? It is very easy. So next, how you can add a new page to your website. So you add a new page, just go to new and click page. Now here you want to create a service page for your website. You need to first enter a title, and now to start creating a page, just click edit the Elementor, and now it will take you to the blank section, and you have two options to create your page. First, you can choose these Elementors which are over here, and then drag and drop them into this area. And the other is, now templates are ready made for pages which you can import into your site. So to create a page with templates, let's click here and you will find a lot of designs here. If you want to use any design, simply click it and see how it looks like. If you like it, just click insert, and here we have now got the entire design to our page. Now again, like we did before, you can change anything on this page just by selecting it and typing anything you want. So this is how it works. Once you are done with the changes, click publish and you can view the page by clicking have a look. Now you can see we have our new service page here. So this is how you can add a new page to your website. Now we have successfully created our website for free, as you can see here, and no one can access your site. Now once you have made your website, here you see that this is the domain name which we got for free, and this domain has extra text after the site name which we selected. What if you want to have a domain name like techyleaf.com? So if you want to get a domain name like this, you can get it by purchasing a .com domain. Next, let's see how you can get a .com domain name. So to get a domain name with a .com, by clicking link, you go to the godaddy.com. Enter the name you want for your website and then click search. And you can say this name is available. So to get this domain name, let's click continue to cart and again click continue, and to get order domain, GoDaddy will ask you to create an account here. So just enter your account details here and click create account. Now you can say we are getting this domain for 1 year, which means once you make the payment, you will be able to use this domain for 1 year. Now you will get this domain, add details here and click complete purchase. So now we have successfully got our domain. Now you can click here James and go to my products. You can see that we have got a domain. So once you get a domain, if we open the new tab and enter the new domain, you can see that it's empty. So now how we move the website we built to this domain, it's very easy. Next, let's see how you can move your site. To do that, you have to do 3 steps. The first step is add your domain to proofreehost. Let's go to proofreehost.com. Now just scroll down and then select park now. You will get this page and domain here. Enter the domain which is just purchased. Once you enter the domain, we can go to step 2, add these details to GoDaddy. Now to move your website to your new domain, you want these two details in GoDaddy. So GoDaddy details, let's go to GoDaddy and click DNS. Now scroll down and click change and then click you. So now we need to copy these two details. At post of your first, let's copy this one and paste of your next, copy this and then paste of your. Now click save. Now we have successfully added our details. Now once make details, just go here and then click add park domains and this click button. Your domain will be added to pro free host. So once you add up your domain, now we can move to the final step. Add your domain name to the WordPress. Now in order to move your website to your new domain, you need to add your domain to WordPress. So to add your domain, just copy this domain name and then go to your press dashboard. Go to the settings and then click general. Here you can see free domain which you selected in the beginning. Now to add your domain name, just click and then paste. Your new domain name have next select this one and paste your domain here. Once we add it to your domain, scroll down and click save changes. As soon as you click save changes to your website will be moved to your new domain. So let's check it now. If we go to the step which has our new domain and click refresh, you can see that we have now got the website which we built. So this is how you can get a .com domain for your website. So guys, this is how you can make your own website. If you like this video, please subscribe my channels and click the bell icon. Thank you so much.